Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I bring to you a spring haul from Shein. It's called Shein.
Today, why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember.
So I got two shirt dresses. They really look nice and well sewn, and I absolutely love them, and they're perfect for spring and summer.
Everything and lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So if any one of you would like any of these items, as usual, I'll leave the details and the order link in the description bar below. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share my videos, and stay tuned for more DIY videos. Thanks and bye bye.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body.